welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys are here today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this look with you guys. It is a beautiful, very cool tone, glamorous, vampy makeup look. This look definitely gives me fall vibes, which is seriously making me miss fall so much right now. But I've been doing a lot of warm tone and colorful looks on my channel, so I figured that I would mix it up and do something a little bit cool tone and something a little bit vampy as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the look, and if you would like to know how to achieve the look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. To start off the eye look, we're going to prime our eyelids. I'm going to take my Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that all over our eyelids. And we're going to take our Beauty Blender and we're going to press this into the eyelid. And then we're going to set our eyelid base with some translucent powder. You can use whatever powder you would like. For today's eye look, we'll be using the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take that cool tone purple in the palette and we're going to blend this into our crease. I'm using a Japanese blending crease brush for this. We're going to go in with about 2 or 3 layers of this color, making sure that we blend it out each time. And then we'll bring it past the tail of the brow to smoke it out. The next shadow we will be using is the Vibrant Purple from the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. I'll be moving over to a Sigma E40 blending brush to blend this into the crease. So we're gonna start blending this color in the lower crease. And as we blend out each layer, we can go ahead and blend up a little bit higher. We are blended today. Still using that same purple, I'm going in with a Japanese cut crease brush, and I want to focus this color on the outer V. Next, we're going to move over to that deeper purple shade, and I'll still be using my Japanese cut crease brush, but we're not going to blend this all over the crease. We're going to keep it in the outer V. So we're just going to softly blend that in the outer corner, and then slightly blend inwards, but that's it. We're not going to go much farther than that. Next, I'm moving into Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow and using an e.l.f. I believe this is just an e.l.f. blending brush that I'll be using. It's just a nice, simple blending brush. I'm going to take that black color and we're going to press this into the outer V. Gonna go in just a few times with a light amount of product each time to make sure I don't go in with too much black. Then after it's blended in the outer V, I'm gonna tap it and blend it up into the crease, but just focusing on the outer part. Then we're going to apply concealer on the eyelids for our eyelid shade to go onto. So I'm gonna go in with my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. And using some concealer on a Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to apply it on the eyelid. We got so much shadow from the crease down onto the eyelids. We don't want that to interfere with our lid shade. So we need to make sure that we have an area that's cleaned up. And the eyelid shade we are going to be using today is Buxom Single Shadow in Pure Platinum. And I'm just going to press this onto the area where we applied our concealer with my finger. I feel like metallic shades look best when they are applied with your finger. I don't know what it is, it's just, it does something. Then I'll be taking my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Diamond Dust, and I'm going to apply a very thin layer over our eyelid shade. Then I'm going to dip back into Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow, and I'm going to soften the edges of the silver shadow and blend the two shadows together as well. Then we can finish off the eyes with lashes. I'm going to be using the Ardell foaming lashes in the style 812. Okay, so for now we're done with the eyes. Let's go in and prep the skin before we go in with a foundation primer. I'm gonna go in and mist my skin with the Evian Natural Mineral Water Facial Spray. I feel like a new person when I spray this. It's so good. I'm gonna go in and prime my face now. I'm gonna be using the Ordinary High Adherent Silicone Primer. We're gonna use a fun foundation. I say it's fun because it's a newer foundation. This is from Covergirl. It's their Covergirl TruBlend Matte Nude Foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a good layer of this, and I am in the shade L40 Classic Ivory. Let the foundation set into the skin for just a little bit. So while it does that, I'm going to go ahead and contour today. I'm just going to be using one product instead of several products for bronzing and contouring. So we're going to make it easy today. I'll be going with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium/Deep Matte Bronzer. Concealer, I'll be using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair. Oops, never mind, Light Natural. Alright, and we'll blend that in with our Beauty Blender. That concealer is a gift from heaven. Then I'm going to do a little bit of light baking today. I'm going to use the Airspun Translucent Face Powder in Translucent Extra Coverage. I've been trying to bake with a lighter amount of powder. I feel that, I don't know, I guess it's just my skin type, that baking, it really brings out the fine lines in the eyes, and I feel like if I leave it there too long, it dries out my under eye, and it's not like I have a lot of moisture in that area, so I've been trying to do a lighter layer. We'll do a little bit on the chin and on the bridge of the nose. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take that first color we used in our crease, that Cool Tone Purple from the Morphe 35B palette, and with an E70 medium angled shading brush from Sigma, we're going to smoke this out on the lower lash line. And as we smoke it, make sure that you connect it with the smokiness we have on the outer corner above. So you want to make sure that they all connect together. And then we'll move on to the vibrant purple shade that we used from the palette. Then with Urban Decay's Blackout Shadow and an e.l.f. Professional Eyelining Brush, oops, that's eye defining brush, I'm going to take that black and we're going to focus this on the outer portion of the lash line. And then we'll go ahead and dust away that powder. For our highlight today, we're gonna go in with something silvery to complement the eyes. So I'll go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and let's take Luna on the tip of the brush, and then on our tapered highlighter brush from Sigma, the F35, pop this on. We'll take some on the nose, chin, cupid's bow. I mean, look at that. Dang. Okay, and the inner corner as well. Oh, yes. And then for our cheek color, we'll go in with Milani's Rose Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. And we're gonna do our thing. Fingers crossed that our lip color is going to work today. I just never know if it will. I'm going to go in with NYX Butter Lipstick in, what the heck's that? Oh, Hunk. That's the name. Okay, so that did not work. It happens though. Let's go in with the, I'm pretty sure this color will work better. I don't know why I didn't pick this up in the first place. This is from Milk Makeup. It's their lip color in Girl. And then we're gonna lock in the look with the Evian facial spray. And that completes this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. It definitely means the world to me and does not go unnoticed. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I will be posting in the near future. You definitely don't want to miss out on any of those, so make sure that you subscribe. There's a red button right down below the screen, and there's also a link where you can subscribe, which will be in my description box. So make sure that you check out all of my social media pages. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. I will have the usernames in one of the corners above, and they will also be linked in the description box for you guys to check out. I post lots of daily makeup looks, and there's a lot of fun things going on over there, so make sure that you check me out, give me a follow, and all that great stuff. You guys have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you so very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on any of the future videos I upload in the... Okay, so for now we're done with the eyes. Let's go in and prep the skin before we go in with a foundation primer. I'm gonna go in and mist my skin with the Evian Natural Mineral... And this look is completed.